and Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Sooji and Besan Ladoo. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of coarse Sooji or Semolina, 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour which I have sifted, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar or you can add it according to your taste, half cup of ghee, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of sultanas, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios, and 6 cardamom pods which I have crushed. Place a fry pan on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and heat it. Add chopped cashew nuts, pistachios, and almonds and fry it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously. Add sultanas and continue stirring it and fry it for 30 seconds and transfer it into a dish. Turn the heat to medium, add 3 tablespoons of ghee and heat it. Add Sooji or semolina and continue stirring it and fry it for 7 to 8 minutes or until you get a light brown color. Transfer it into a dish with the fried nuts. Add the remaining ghee and heat it. Add besan or chickpea flour and fry it for 5 minutes or until you get a golden brown color, stirring it continuously. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off and transfer it into a dish with fried semolina. Add crushed cardamom, give it a mix and let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add powdered sugar and mix it well to combine. Take a handful of the mixture in your palm and press it firmly using your fingers to form round balls or ladoos. Put it in a dish and repeat this process. My besan and Sooji ladoo is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Leftover ladoos can be stored in a sealed container at room temperature for weeks. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.